In this lesson, I'll show you how to verify that midpoints of triangles are parallel. The question reads, in the triangle ABC shown below, D is the midpoint of side AC and E is the midpoint of side BC. So take a look. D is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of BC. We want to verify that the line segment DE from here to here is parallel to the side AB. And we know they're parallel if their slopes are the same. So we have to find the slope of DE and the slope of AB, both of which should be negative because they're going downwards. Let's go ahead and find the slope of DE. The coordinates of the midpoint here appear to be 4 and 4, and the coordinates here appear to be 6 and 3. We'll use those to find the slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1, so 3 minus 4 over 6 minus 4, x2 minus x1. We end up with negative 1 over 2, which is equal to negative 0.5. Now, to find the slope of these two, I do the same thing. That's slope 1, this is slope 2. 1 minus 3 over 5 minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 over 4, and that's negative 0.5. They are identical. Because the slopes are the same, then they're parallel. In question B, they ask, verify that the line segment DE is half the length of side AB. Now what we have to do is find out the length of this line segment and the length of this line segment using the distance formula, which looks like this. The distance is equal to the square root of the difference of the x-coordinates plus the difference of the y-coordinates. The x-coordinates for AB are 5 minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 3 squared. And we'll square root that. So we have 5 minus 1 is 4 to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 to the power of 2. 16 plus 4 is 20. The square root of 20 is the distance between A and B. We'll find out the decimal version of that number in a moment. Now I need to do the same thing for DE. So I have 6 minus 4 squared plus 3 minus 4 squared. 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2. This gives us 4 plus 1, and that's the square root of 5. Is the square root of 5 half the square root of 20? Let's find out. The square root of 20 is equal to 4.47, and the square root of 5 is 2.23. If I multiply this by 2, I'll end up with 4.47. So that verifies that the line segment DE is half the length of the side AB. And there you have it. That is how to verify that midpoints of triangles are parallel.